Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 4th of February. And first of all, national news. Pakistani drone shot down by BSF along Punjab border. Parliament is the North Star of democracy, Vice President. CDS Anil Chauhan chaired high-level security meeting in Jammu. Home Minister Amit Shah set to attend Vijay Sankalp rally in Jharkhand. Appointment of 5 judges recommended by Collegium likely in 2 days. Center to Supreme Court. PSCs to offer services of Common Service Centers, Corporation Ministry signed MOU. Opposition leaders gave adjournment notices in Parliament seeking discussion on Adani stock route issue. Singapore Chief Justice Sundaresh Menon shared bench with CJI Chandrachud in Supreme Court. Rural and archaeological tourism to be showcased at Kaksh G20 Tourism Working Group meet. Railways to ramp up booking capacity from 25,000 to 2.25 lakh tickets a minute. Overall exposure to Adani Group at Rs 27,000 crore, SBI chairman. 8,343 Indian prisoners lodged in foreign jails, Minister informed Lok Sabha. Now, international news. Qatar banned insect food after EU expanded menu for protein. Blew off course, China expressed regret over balloon in US airspace. Germany authorized sending Leopard 1 tanks to Ukraine. UK man found guilty in 2021 attempted crossbow attack on Queen Elizabeth. EU ban on Russian oil will further imbalance markets, Kremlin. US Philippines to resume joint patrols in South China Sea. Europe looked to geothermal energy as carbon-free gas alternative. IMF bailout conditions beyond imagination will have to agree, Pak PM. Putin compared Russia's invasion of Ukraine to war against Nazi Germany. Zelensky said Ukraine should start EU entry talks this year. Russia's Putin warned West over arms deliveries to Ukraine. And now some sports news. ISL final to be held on March 18. You are my new hero, Gavaskar told to Lakshya Sen. Aussie legend Rachel Hennis appointed head coach of Adani-owned WPL team. Nushin Al-Khadir also roped in. Arsenal's party and injury doubt as Arteta relies on Jorginho's leadership. I want to play test for India. Avesh Khan eyes India comeback after 35 wickets this season. Australia will miss Jampa's ability to zip ball against India, Sriram. Butler frustrated but understands why players opting franchise cricket over national duty. World 2020-2007 hero Joginder Sharma announced retirement from all forms of cricket. Rupees 75 lakh for a ticket. As LeBron James nears NBA all-time scoring record, ticket prices skyrocket. Now news related to business. RBI said banking sector resilient and stable amid Adani stocks rout. SEBI tweaks its operational circular on credit rating agencies. S&P Global Ratings revised outlook on Adani Ports electricity to negative. Two-thirds tax players may shift to new regime in 2023-24 tax body. No concern with Adani Group's asset quality, Bank of Baroda chief. Foreign exchange reserve rise to 6-month high of $576.7 billion. India's services sector growth dipped slightly in January. S&P Dow Jones said will drop Adani Enterprises from sustainability indices. Amul hiked milk prices by Rs 2, new rates effective from 4th February. News from Science and Technology. Planting trees could cut deaths from higher temperatures, Lancet study. Quad countries to focus on tackling China threat in telecom, 6G technology. Massive Antarctic iceberg twice the size of New York City on the move. And that's all in news. Thank you.